You've probably heard that carrots are rich in vitamin A, so they're great for your skin. One delicious way to prepare them is in a creamy carrot soup. Today I'm making a soup that combines carrots with other sweet-tasting vegetables like winter squash and parsnips. This is a soup that the whole family will love. It's definitely a crowd pleaser. I bought all these great ingredients at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. Let's dive into what's going into this soup. So I've got 2 parsnips, 5 carrots, and 1 bunch of scallions, 20 ounces of cut up butternut squash. This is a 13.66 ounce of coconut milk. It's the light coconut milk, some sea salt, and then you're gonna need vegetable broth. And it's hard to say exactly how much you're going to need because it depends on the size of your carrots, but you're gonna want enough to cover all of the vegetables in the pot. We'll see how much we need and provide amounts in the recipe below. You can use either packaged vegetable broth, or in this case, I have some homemade vegetable broth. And then equipment-wise, I'm going to use my immersion blender, or you can just use a regular blender. Start out by placing your squash in a good-sized soup pot and put it aside while you chop up your other vegetables. First, I'm chopping up the parsnips. Then chop up your carrots. If you notice any funky little spots along the way, just be sure to cut those out. Next, we're going to cut off only the white part from this bunch of scallions. I want to preserve the nice orange color, and if we add too much green, it would kind of throw it off. We're going to save these greens to use as a garnish. Next, add your coconut milk. And enough of the vegetable broth to completely cover the vegetables. In this case, it was about 5 cups of vegetable broth. Over medium-high heat, bring the soup up to a robust boil, then turn the heat to simmer on low for about 20 to 25 minutes until everything is fork tender. While I'm waiting for my soup to come up to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my garnish for the soup, which is gonna be the green tops of the scallions. This is where you really want to have a good sharp knife to be able to slice through these scallions. Okay, so I think our vegetables are soft enough. They've cooked for about 20 minutes, and as you can see, I can easily take a fork and one of the thicker pieces of carrots, I can poke it very easily, so it's nice and soft. And now we're going to take our immersion blender and just put it right in the pot and very carefully blend the whole pot of soup. My daughter Anya is helping me, if you see a little hand in here. So I almost forgot we're adding the salt. That's about 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Thanks, Anya. Gets it nice and smooth. Isn't that a beautiful color? I just love the color of this soup. So like I mentioned, Anya came home and decided to help me with the soup. She loves cooking with me. She's gonna help me dish up the soup. Of course, when you're cooking with kids, you have to, help them, make sure they stay safe. So since this is a very hot soup, we're gonna do it together. There you go, you can put the garnish. So just put a little pinch right in the middle. This. Of course I can't resist taste testing this carrot soup. Oh, that is so good. I've got to get my daughter to try this. Hey Anya, come on over, try some. You want to try some? Just remember it's really hot, so we're gonna have to blow it. Yeah.
Good.
Really good. She loves soups. All right, I got the kid stamp of approval, so we're all set. Thanks, honey. Enjoy your creamy carrot soup. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this creamy, dreamy, delicious carrot soup. If you make it, let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you made any fun changes to the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more weekly cooking videos. And if you're already subscribed to this channel, I just want to give you a huge thank you. I really appreciate all of my subscribers and value your comments and feedback. Happy cooking!